Prime Minister, you're just back from China, and I want to ask you, you have strongly supported China, including in its actions in Xinjiang. You're the leader of one of the largest Muslim countries in the world. The United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, as you know, have boycotted the Olympics diplomatically because they say China is engaging in what they term a cultural genocide against Muslims in Xinjiang. Do you see it differently?
Firstly, we had our ambassador, الحق. He went to Sınkyang, and according to his observations, the picture is not what was being portrayed on the Western media. But more importantly, from our point of view in Pakistan, Kashmir is a disputed territory between Pakistan and India. Over the last 35 years, approximately, the figure varies, about 100,000 Kashmiris have died. Since 5th August 2019, the Indians have revoked the status of Kashmir, which unilaterally, which is, according to the United Nations Security Council, a disputed territory between Pakistan and India. There are extrajudicial killings going on. There are no rights there. There's clampdown there. There are 800,000 Indian troops in the Kashmir Valley. I find it very difficult that hardly any indignation about what is happening in Kashmir compared to what is happening or what they say is happening in Sınkyang. That's where I disagree with this. We as Pakistanis feel very strongly that this should be even-handed. Firstly, Kashmir is different because it's disputed between Pakistan and India, confirmed by the United Nations Security Council resolution. This is the immediate issue right now. And I'm afraid it just doesn't get the attention it deserves.